What if I told you that the decisions you make today could create a ripple effect that shapes your financial future? But here's the kicker. There's a ticking clock, and the year 2025 is your deadline. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which dividend stocks you need to own to set yourself up for a wealthy lifestyle. These aren't your typical picks. They're well-researched, high-potential stocks designed for smart investors like you, between 18 and 30, who want to make wise decisions. And if you're serious about building long-term wealth, then you cannot afford to miss this. But hey, if you're just here to get rich overnight, well, this isn't the video for you. Spoiler alert, there are no magic beans. But if you're ready for solid, long-term financial gains, stick with me. Trust me, 2025 is going to be a make-or-break year in the stock market. The time to position yourself is now. And wait till you see which stock comes in. At number 1, it's the one most people overlook. The power of dividend stocks in wealth building. First, let's talk about why dividend stocks are so crucial. Dividend stocks pay you consistently, quarter after quarter, just for holding the stock. Imagine getting paid while you sleep. That's the magic of dividend investing. In fact, studies show that a significant portion of stock market returns come from dividends, not just stock price appreciation. And I'm going to reveal the first stock that's doing this better than almost anyone else in just a second. But here's where it gets interesting. With rising interest rates and inflation at play, the smart money is already moving toward dividend-paying stocks that can ride out the volatility. This is why you need to act fast before these opportunities are priced in. Stock 5, Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Let's dive into our first pick, Johnson & Johnson. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't J&J just a healthcare giant that's been around forever? Exactly. That's why it's perfect. Let's be honest, J&J is like that one reliable friend who always pays you back. Unlike some others we won't mention. With a consistently increasing dividend for over 50 years, Johnson & Johnson is a dividend king. Its diverse portfolio, ranging from pharmaceuticals to consumer health products, gives it stability, making it a stock that thrives in both good and bad times. Plus, with its spin-off of the consumer health division in 2024, J&J is in a unique position to grow its market share. But what if I told you there's another stock coming up next that pays even more? Let's get into it. Stock 4, Procter & Gamble, EPG. Procter & Gamble, or PG, is another reliable giant that makes the products you probably have sitting in your bathroom or kitchen right now. From Tide to Gillette, they dominate the consumer goods space, and as a dividend aristocrat with 60-plus years of dividend increases, PG's track record is second to none. Quick question, how many of you have thought about how those everyday products could be making you money? PG has seen steady revenue growth, even in tough economic environments. Why? Because people will always need their daily essentials, and that means reliable, steady dividends. But let me show you a stock that's smaller, less well-known, and potentially even more lucrative for 2025. Stock 3, Realty Income Corporation. Next up is a lesser-known gem, Realty Income Corporation, also known as the Monthly Dividend Company. Yes, you heard that right. They don't just pay quarterly, they pay monthly. Yep, that's right. Monthly, like your favorite subscription service, but, actually useful. O is a REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, which owns over 12,000 commercial properties leased to stable tenants like Walgreens and 7-Eleven. With interest rates rising, REITs are often seen as a hedge against inflation, and Realty Income's steady cash flow makes it one of the best in the game for dividend seekers. And I've saved the best for last. You won't believe what number 2 and number 1 have in store for 2025. Stock 2, NextEra Energy, NEE. Number 2 on our list is a future powerhouse, NextEra Energy. This isn't just any utility company, it's the world's largest producer of wind and solar energy. If you believe in the future of clean energy, this is the dividend stock to watch. Here's the thing, with the global push towards renewable energy, those who fail to invest in companies like NextEra may find themselves on the wrong side of history and profits. This stock has a dividend yield of around 2.6% and has increased dividends consistently over the years. Its focus on clean energy makes it a safe bet for growth and stability. But hold on, because our number one pick, it's going to shock you. Stock 1, Microsoft, MSFT. And finally, let's talk about Microsoft. You might not think of Microsoft as a dividend stock, but you should. With its consistent dividend growth and dominant position in cloud computing, AI, and software, Microsoft is a financial fortress. And unlike the dreaded Windows update, this stock's growth is something you actually look forward to. Here's why 2025 is critical. Microsoft is investing heavily in AI, and that's going to skyrocket its future earnings. Not to mention, their dividend payout ratio is extremely healthy, meaning they've got plenty of room to keep increasing their dividends for years to come. But wait, here's the thing. Dividends are just one part of the equation. If you want to truly build wealth, you need to harness the power of compounding, and I've got just the video for you on that. So there you have it, the top 5 dividend stocks to own for 2025. Johnson & Johnson, Procter Gamble, Realty Income, Nextera Energy, and Microsoft. Each of these companies offers a unique way to secure steady growing income while positioning yourself for future growth. Remember, investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. By starting now, you can take advantage of compounding dividends, and 2025 could be the year you look back on as a financial turning point. Click on the video that's about to pop up on your screen. The power of compounding. It's the next step in your journey toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.